In our previous videos, we learned about the southwest and northeast monsoon winds in detail, how they form and travel across India, and which states get rain due to these winds. In this video, we will learn about the Western Disturbances. Western Disturbances travel from the West Asia towards India. They bring winter rain and snow to India. Think of subtropical westerly jet stream as a very fast river of air high up in the sky, and western disturbances are like clouds riding on this fast air river. So it is the jet stream that blows from west to east, carrying the western disturbances towards India. The western disturbances start over Mediterranean Sea. They travel across the West Asia. The countries that falls under its path are Turkey, Syria, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and then finally it reaches northwestern India. The Himalayas block the clouds. The cloud cools down and bring rain or snow to northern India. The western disturbances bring snow to northern regions like Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. They also bring winter rain to northern regions like Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Winter rain helps Rabi crops or winter crops to grow in these regions. Major Rabi crops grown in these regions are wheat, mustard and barley. The snow collects on the mountains during winter. In summer, it melts and fills rivers with water. This keeps the rivers full of water all year round. Great job, young explorers! We have completed our series on India's monsoon system and learned how the Himalayas and Tibetan Plateau help shape India's weather. Next, we will discover how geography shaped India's farms, trade routes, kingdoms, rich cultures and civilization. Stay tuned. Subscribe and like to view more such videos.